Hey, my name's Adriana, and in this quick demo, I'm going to show you why everyone is switching over to ongoing subscriptions to handle their recurring transactions. All right, if you're interested in growing your Shopify store revenue in 2024, you'll want to watch this 2-minute video. It might actually change the trajectory of your company. Let's go. All right, so ongoing subscriptions is shaking things up with a bundler. We have a differentiating factor here with a subscription bundle that can really increase conversions and also increase average order value. So what the bundle does is it allows your customers to mix and match different products that they love, and they can choose the frequency and they can get a discount. And this encourages them to buy more and rewards them for their loyalty. So instead of buying one product, now I might find myself buying 4 or 5 products. And what this does is it skips over the cart page, goes straight to checkout. We have express checkout. We're also 33% faster on checkout than our other competitors. And what this does is it really helps to drive conversions, and it lowers the abandoned cart rate, and it gets you more new subscribers, and people are happier because they're personalizing their bundle, right? They're choosing what they want, so they're less likely to leave because they chose what they want. And here you can see that they have the different frequencies, and instead of buying one product for 56, now I find myself buying 5 products for $300. And so this is one of the companies that uses us, Taste Republic. And the common question that we get is, where would this bundle live? And the answer is on your homepage. So you can have a link here to the subscribe and save bundle. So when they click on subscribe and save, it goes straight to the bundle page, and it's on your website. They don't go into a new tab or anything. It stays on your website. You can also have a call to action on your homepage, like instead of shop now, imagine if this said subscribe and save 10%, something like that. So that is one of the things that I think can really help grow your revenue. If you're selling stuff like consumables, things that people want on an ongoing basis, you'll love the ongoing Build-A-Box because it really helps to drive up the number of subscribers that you're getting, because it has a gamification aspect that people just love. And also it helps with conversions, faster checkout, and of course, the average order value going up, things that people love. So here is an example of ongoing on one of our demo stores. Of course, this looks different because this is my theme, so it's matching my theme of black and white. But, one of the things that is also great about ongoing is we have an amazing mobile experience. So a lot of other subscription apps out there don't work well on mobile, and our ongoing subscriptions app is amazing for mobile shopping. So that can also help drive up conversions and new subscribers and create that recurring revenue that your company needs so much. So instead of having an okay subscription app, try ongoing for an amazing subscription app. We work with some of the biggest brands on Shopify, and we work with Shopify Plus as well, such as Alpha Foods, Get Voila, and others. So we also have integrations with Shopify Plus, Stripe, PayPal, ShopPay, Authorize.net, GPay, MetaPay, Apple Pay. Shopify Checkout is totally native. Shopify Local Pickup is totally native, and Shopify Payments. So we have all of that as well. We also have a passwordless subscriber portal. So if you're having any issues right now with your current subscription app, with people pulling out their hair, trying to get into the subscriber portal, we solve that problem with our passwordless subscriber portal. So whether your customer has an account or doesn't with Shopify, it doesn't matter. We authenticate them based on whether they bought a subscription order with your company. And this is amazing. It allows them to skip. It allows them to pause. It allows them to cancel. This also has an offboarding. They can tell you information about why they're not buying the product anymore or want to cancel. Maybe like, I'm allergic to the ingredients or whatever. And then, you can get that information in your inbox, and you can know exactly why people are maybe not subscribing anymore. And then it has, where they can update quantity, and they can remove something, they can add a product, they can swap a product, all that great stuff that's going to keep people subscribed and retain them as a subscriber. So these are all perfect ways to, encourage people to stay on as a subscriber and not lose that recurring revenue. So ongoing is here. If you'd like to give us a try, we have a perfect 5-star rating on the Shopify App Store. We also have a 30-day free trial, so there's no risk. You can give us a shot, and we can show you how well we can help grow your store. And people love us. We have an amazing customer support team that can onboard you completely free. So if you're looking to just, make a switch or get subscriptions, Ongoing's here for you. We can change your 2024 trajectory. So definitely make an appointment and schedule a quick meeting with one of us, and we can definitely show you how Ongoing can take you to the next level.